Hi everybody! So in this video, I'm going to explain in English what la forme développée or décomposée, oh, I forgot my accents, whoopsie, la forme décomposée means for a big number. So this is just basically a way to break down a large number like this and say what each digit actually means. So this number is 17,365, or in English, 17,365. So what we want to do is take each digit and say what it actually means. And then altogether, that equals this big number. So first of all, I'm going to look at the 1. That's a 1 in the 10,000ths place. So that means it's just 10,000. Okay, next up we have this 7. So that's a 7 in the 1,000th place. So that means 7,000. Okay, next up we have this 3. That 3 is in the 100ths place, so that means it's 300. Easy peasy. Next up, we have the 6. That 6 is in the 10s place, so 6 groups of 10 is 60. And then finally, we have a 5 in the 1s place, so that's just plain old 5. So as you can see, all these numbers added together, 10,000 plus 7,000 plus 300 plus 60 plus 5 equals this big number, 17,365. So it just shows you what the big number actually means and breaks it down into all of its digits. So that's the first method, and that's the one I actually prefer because I find it really easy. But there is a second method that kids will encounter, and it's good to know as well. On a test, I would say they could pick either one because it shows their understanding, but here's the second one just so everybody knows. And we have already practiced this in class, and the game that I attached to this email does target this. Okay, so the second one is more multiplication and brackets based. So we look at our first digit again because we're doing the same number, 17,365. So we have one group of 10,000s because there's a 1 in the 10,000s place. So you open your bracket, 1 times 10,000, because it's just 1 in the 10,000s place. Okay, plus. What's up next? There's a 7 in the 1,000ths place. So that means 7 groups of 1,000. Open your bracket again. 7 groups of 1,000. Okay, now we're going to keep on going. Now there's a 3. There's a 3 in the hundreds place. So that means 3 groups of 100. 3 times 100. And then we have a 6 in the tens place. So that means 6 groups of 10. 6 times 10. And then finally, we just have our 5. You could do 5 times 1, or you could just write 5. Either way is fine. I'm going to put 5 times 1 just for the sake of consistency. All right, so those are 2 ways of explaining what a big number is and what all of its digits actually mean, so that kids have a concept of all the parts of a large number. So I hope that helps. And remember, if you have any questions, just contact me via email or on Teams or on the phone. Okay.